Hello everyone, today I would like to teach you how to make an origami bird. So, you will need one 6x6 paper. If you have double-sided paper, start on the side you don't want it to be. For those who do not know what double-sided paper is, it means one color on each side of the paper. For this origami, I just wanted to say good luck and have fun. Just wanted to let you know this is what it will end up looking like. Have a fun time. Good luck. So, first, since I have a double-sided paper, I will flip it to the side I do not want my bird to be. You fold the bottom to the top. That's the first step. I'll wait for you. Next, you're going to bring it this way and fold this bottom part to the top. And I will wait for you. Next, you turn into the triangle and then bring this left part to the right. I'll wait for you. You do the same thing on the other side, except you bring the left to the right this time. I'll wait for you. Next, you see this top part? You're going to put your thumb in here and your index finger on top. You're going to bend it in, part of it in, not the whole thing, just part of it. Remember, this is going to end up being your beak. I'll wait for you. Once you did that, you're going to fold it along the top. I'll wait for you. When you did that, you're going to take that part a little bit out of it, out of where it was, and then this becomes your beak. I'll wait for you. Next, you're going to take this part and lift it up till you reach right here. And this will become your wing. I'll wait for you. You do the same thing on the other side. I'll wait for you. Now you are done. You have your origami bird. Hope you liked it. Bye.